Well, hello everybody. This is Life in North Carolina. I'm at this retreat. It's called the St. Francis. But anyway, let me walk around here. Again, this is Life in North Carolina. Like and subscribe and share. I'm just gonna take a little tour of this place, if you don't mind. Okay. So I'm just showing you the cottages of this place. Wow. And I'm just taking a video of here. They do a retreat every year. But it is so peaceful out here, ain't it? Can you believe this? Yeah. Just a lot of stuff. I'm gonna walk the trail and everything. Just to show you this place. And see? You got the cartridge, you got this. See that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah. Here's the cottages. This is called St. Francis. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's called St. Francis. It's called St. Francis. See that? The cartridges. So I'm gonna go down here and see what this is all about. And this is some more cartridges. I mean, cottages, not cartridges, but cottages. The place right here. You see, and they got a nice walking trail here too. It's awesome. There's Mr. Morgan. He's leaving. Okay. I'm gonna walk over here, so there's nobody out here much, and I don't know why, but it's a beautiful place and everything. I guess, yeah, don't ask me why, but I don't know. I have no idea why people are not out here. And it don't cost you nothing to come out here, unless you're gonna stay overnight, in one of these cottages, which is what I think $100 to stay, which it's pretty steep, I guess. But here, I just want to show you this. Yeah, this is St. Francis. That's what this is. I'll show you all that. It's got a lot of stuff over here. A lot of stuff. So, when you walk over here, when you go over here, you make sure you have your walking shoes on. Because there's a lot of stuff to walk and see. But, like I said, I don't know why nobody's taking advantage of this. You see that? So the ramp over the bridge. Let's see what we got over here. Take you over here. Look at this. Look at all the feathers this thing got. Well, somebody put all that there. Like that's maybe man-made, but well, here's the walking trail. And whatever else is over here. I hear something like wildlife. Maybe we get to see some wildlife over here. Who knows? See, they got a lot of memories of the place. And they're trying not to make this video so long. Of course, you gotta watch out for the snakes. You know, you see squirrels. Squirrels ain't gonna bother you. And everything. It's been raining here too some of the day. It rained this morning. Just to let you know. Okay, I'm gonna go on this walking trail. Let's walk this trail pretty fast. Because I know some of y'all not gonna look at this video too long. I don't blame you. But anyway, it's got some nice places here, you know, where you can stay at. But like I was saying, it's about $100 a night. I know that's real expensive. In a way, it's a flat 100. But then again, so it could be okay, you know, if it's like a little getaway or a honeymoon or something like that, you know. But you got a lot of wildlife out here, like I said. You got coyotes, all kinds of stuff, snakes especially that lay across here, that lay across there, these gravel. So you gotta kind of make sure you have shoes on. Or be mindful. If you don't have shoes on, be mindful of what you're walking into. But that's just like anything, nature. I guess it could be in the Philippines, United States, anywhere. Great Britain, anywhere. It don't matter. So we ain't gonna just use that excuse. That's everywhere. But I have seen a couple of snakes out here, but they're harmless. The ones I've seen, like black snakes, but I don't see them now. They was out here earlier when it was raining. You know, just laying around. But they don't bother them. That walking trail goes way up there. Good God Almighty. It goes, this walking trail goes from here to there. I gotta see this. I didn't see that. This walking trail goes on. So I haven't been back here. I've been back down there. I didn't know it go that far. And I don't even know where it goes. To tell you the truth. But it is a walking trail. Might just take me back around. I don't know. See, the St. Francis people that own this, that's the name of the business, or like a church like. They probably own a lot of this property back here, probably own hundreds and hundreds of acres. But it goes pretty far. I might have saved this for the last, because I wanted y'all to see the front inches. I might just say this for the last. So what time is it? Well, it's 9 minutes. I don't want this video to be so long. We're at the board, y'all. Of course, there's spider webs out here too that you'll run across. But what I didn't see, which I was suspecting, I didn't see any deers. I was expecting to see at least a few deers, you know? But then again, they probably over somewhere where they can get something to eat. You know, if the oaks is all gone from here, which I think they are, Probably got to go over to a farmland. You know, they got to get something to eat and, you know, drink too, I guess. I don't know. Well, we got a pond down there. They can get something to drink down there. But anyway, the highway, right? That's what my sweetheart always says to me in the Philippines. My one and only fiance. I says, anyway, she says the highway. She's always saying that. Yeah, she's awesome. But anyway, let's see what this is. Well, like somebody started to put out some pine needles, but they never did. And they're like somebody digging a hole up in here. I didn't know this was back here. Wow. I didn't know it. I know it now, though. Yeah, squirrels or something eating this. I'm not sure if it's deers either. See, this is St. Francis property. You see, it's to remind us of St. Francis. See? I didn't know this is this. Okay, you see the flowers they planted right there? See that? Yeah, I didn't know. I know now. I never walked this property this way. I walked it back all that way. Yeah. Well, here's a frog. Here's a little froggy. Yeah, that's normal. You see that all the time. Because somebody tried to eat that like a snake. Had that for dinner. Okay, now we're going down. I don't know where this is going. Okay. What I need to do, I'll find out what time it is. I don't want to spend that time. Come on, baby. Come on up. Okay. Trying to see what time it is, but this thing is like going down. Hope it don't. I think they go down to the pond. I'm not sure where this thing going. Like I said, I ain't never been down here. Been this far down. Been the other places up. It is going all the way down. Of course, somebody put gravel all the way through here too. Probably them. And they don't tell how much this gravel costs. Let's see where this stuff is going and taking me to. But you know, YouTube audience, I love nature trail. I love it. Especially if I can get carrying a camera, a video camera. I love it even more. See right here, I got to hold it up, aim it just right, you know. Yeah, it's a lot. I gotta go back to the office and so I can show y'all pictures of that. You know, I'm just trying to figure out where this thing runs. I mean, where this is going to end up. Where it's got a boardwalk. Where this going to end up at. I'm just curious. Where is this? We're already, what, 13 minutes into this thing. I don't know where this goes. Oh, okay, I got a little river stream, but yeah, I mean, yeah. You know, like that, you see this? But you know, in here, that's where the snakes, all kinds of stuff up in this bad boy. Fish too, probably. Up in here, in North Carolina, all the way over, wait, 30 minutes from where I live at. Yeah, you probably got snakes. I'm sure snakes, all kinds of stuff up in this doggone thing. I'm surprised I don't see any black snakes right in this point. That is unheard of. That is unheard of. But I know there's fish here too. That is unheard of. I'm surprised I don't see any black snakes. Which they ain't gonna bother you unless you, I guess, do something to them. Most of the time, unless there's something wrong with those guys. I mean, they'll come out the water. You know, those are the aggressive ones. But, yeah. I'm all deep in the woods, y'all. I'm all deep in these woods. I'm not talking about like 2 or 3 miles deep in these woods, that's for sure. I know it don't be that. I'm way deep in the woods. It's time for me to start seeing some wildlife here, besides squirrels and frogs. I ain't seen those. I seen the snakes earlier, the black snakes, but I don't see them anymore. They're probably in the ground or somewhere. But besides those three items, I need to see something else. I don't see no deers. That's what I was trying to see. Good old St. Francis. What we got here? What we got here, you two friends? This is at St. Francis in Stoneville, North Carolina. Guess what? Because now I ain't feeling none. Guess what? It's starting to rain. Or shower. Can you believe that? I can hear it on the tree leaves. I don't feel it though. Unless it's real heavy. Because the tree leaves are getting it. That's why. Which is good. But I'm not feeling none of it. I'm not sure what those T's are for. You know? I'm not even sure. I'll tell you what, I'm deep in these woods. I'm trying to figure out where this stuff goes. See a lot of dead trees, you know, up in the forest, up in the woods, whatever you want to call it. You know, you always gonna see dead trees, dead animals, probably. I seen one dead animal, but it wasn't in the woods. It was like on the road, like a rabbit or something. Couldn't tell really what it was. It looked like it was a rabbit. But anyway, the vultures and stuff and the crows was eating at it, you know? Eating all the meat off the bones. So that's why I couldn't recognize it. You know what I mean? Because they don't skint it. The time I got to it, they don't skint it that quick. And that's another thing, you know, if something dies here, most of the time, vultures or black crows or whatever kind of birds sometimes, which I can't believe that. I can understand the vultures, you know, doing it, but the other birds, I don't understand. But anyway, they eat it, you know, eat the meat off of it, skin it back. Do all kinds of crazy stuff here. I didn't see that, at least because I didn't go to the Providence. I didn't see that in the Philippines, but that I was in the city though. That's why I ain't seen any kind of roadkill. And what happens, you know, to the roadkill when it sits, you know, a long time on the street or or in the dirt, wherever it's at. But here, the vultures and all kinds of strange birds like the black crows and stuff, if there is any around here. But I know the vultures are. You know, will skin it. They'll skin it and eat it. Eat the meat. As if they was that hungry, I guess. Maybe they are. You know, you gotta watch out for this. See, I don't know if this tree has any poison oak on it or what. That poison oak will tear me up. Not right direct, but like in a day or so, I'll be broke out. with that poison oak. Poison oak and poison ivy. You gotta watch out for that. But I'm wearing long pants because I went to this meeting for the Sedalia town hall, which I'm on the board, planning board that is, as we speak. But anyway, yeah. Now what time is this? Well, we in 20 minutes of this now. Can you believe that? 20 minutes. Tell you what, let me get out of here. Let me take a tour up there at the front where you can see other stuff. How about that? Let me get out of here. But this right here just basically took me around a circle. That's just a squirrel right there. See, you see him? Squirrel, I mean, you see that anywhere. I was just wondering where this thing went. But see, we're back here. You know? I just want to see. Let me do it. Let me change. Let me switch hands. I'm working up a good sweat, y'all. That's for sure. But I need to take you over here